Welcome back, boys and girls, to another excited lesson. Are you ready? Today we are doing our numeracy lesson, and we are going to sing this song. Let's do the number rumba A. Let's do the number rumba O. Let's do the number rumba. Number rumba all day long. Number two, number two. We are talking about the number two, numeral two, numeral two, numeral two all day long. Two. Based on the song, which numeral you think we're going to talk about today? The numeral two. Give yourself a clap, boys and girls. We are going to talk about the numeral two. Very good. And so we are going to count up to the numeral two. Let's clap two times. One, two. When you say the number name, it tells you which numeral you're going to stop. So we are going to stop at the numeral two. So when you clap and count, you must stop at two. Let's go again. One, two. The number name tells you where to stop. Let's go again. One, two. Very good. Let's jump two times. One, two. Very good. Let's shake two times. One, two. Awesome job. So today we're talking about the numeral two. Very good. And here we have the numeral two. Let's move on. So we're going to count how many balloons we have up here. Let's go and we count one by one. Let's go. One, two. The last number name we call tells us how many balloons we have. Let's go again. One, two. How many balloons are there? Two. Very good. And down here we have the numeral two telling us that we have two balloons. Awesome job. Your turn. Count them. Very good. Let's try it again. One, two. Two balloons. Let's count some more objects. What are those? Cars. I wonder how many cars are there. Let's count them. One, two. Again, one, two. And remember, the last number name you call tells you how many cars you have. Let's count it again. One, two, two cars. Your turn. Touch one, then two cars. Very good. Your turn to count and see how many cats are there. Let's count the cats. One, two. Very good. Do you have cats at home? Awesome. And on here we have two cats. One, two. Very good. Now we are going to learn how to spell the numeral two, the word two. TWO2, TWO2. I can spell two. I can spell two. TWO2, TWO2. I can spell two. I can spell two. Touch it, man. TWO2, TWO2. I can spell two. I can spell two. Woohoo. TWO2, TWO2. I can spell two. I can spell two. Let's try spelling the word two. T W O two. And here we have the numeral two. And we also have two fingers. One, two. Down at the bay where everyone goes, there are two little cats eating their lunch with a meow meow here and a meow meow there. That's the way they make a sound with a I. Five, a woogie 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 I. Five, a woogie 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 I. Five, a woogie woogie woogie. That's the way they dance along. Down at the bay where everyone goes, there are two Cars driving around with a vroom vroom here and a vroom vroom there. That's the way they drive around. So we are talking about the numeral two, and we can spell the word two. Two. And I want you to show me two fingers. Let's go. Put down the big finger, put down the other finger, only two up, just like what you're seeing here. Two fingers. Two little fingers, two little fingers, two little fingers, tap, tap, tap. Wiggle them high and wiggle them low and rub them on your nose, nose, nose. You like that? Very good. Let's go again. Two little fingers, two little fingers, two little fingers, clap, clap, clap. Wiggle them high and wiggle them low and rub them on your nose, nose, nose. Way to go, boys and girls. Give yourself a big clap. Question time. Which numeral are we talking about today? Did someone say the numeral two? Yes, we are talking about the numeral two. Can you clap two times? One, two. Awesome job. Who can spell the word two? Very good. TWO2. So we're talking about the numeral 2. We can clap up to 2 and we can also spell the word two. Very good. Way to go, boys and girls. Do have yourself a wonderful day. Bye bye.